Practice reading for beginners.
Sight words and sentences. Between. 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 Square. 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 Circle. 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 The square is between the circles. 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 Where is the square? Between the circles. The square is between the circles. Is between the circles. The square. The square is between the circles. Cat. 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 Dog. 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 Between. 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 The cat is between the dogs. 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 Where is the cat? Between the dogs. The cat is between the dogs. What is between the dogs? The cat. The cat is between the dogs.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.